Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to do another redesign review on Noble Origins. So this product they sell is a protein powder and we're going to go over it on this page. We're going to review here the mobile of their product page, their PDP section, their hero section, basically with the product and its variants. And I'm going to show you the redesign we did on how this page can convert better. Okay, here's the redesign we did. So right at the top, we wanted to put a benefit at the top to save 10% on all subscriptions, keeping that there. Brand logo here centered. This is pretty straightforward. Now, for the product images, usually we'll do peek through, but if I don't do peek through style, it's better to put the thumbnails on the side as opposed to bottom because you get more real estate here and you can bring your other elements higher. So here, we put all the thumbnails on the side here. We got the review stars here like before. This is pretty similar, having the Noble all-in-one protein product title, nice and big. Because this is a product title, it's fine to keep the product title. Just get your main keywords in there. Benefits here, 100% raw, grass-fed, rich and tasty. Just easily mix it, how to do it. We got the flavors, vanilla, chocolate plus vanilla. We bundled the product up and we started first actually with the bigger bundle. So the 60 servings first, then the 30. This is something that my team has tested a few times, going for the bigger option first, show them the bigger savings they can get, and then the smaller option. Then we got purchase options as well, subscribe and save, or one-time purchase. We have it auto-selected on subscribe and save. So really just having these two elements on your PDP is going to make a massive difference. Having bundles plus subscription options will do a lot to really get customers buying more, increasing your AOV plus your consumer lifetime value. Then next we had the CTA nice and big. Here we wanted to make it pop a bit more. So we see that they also use a bit of red in their branding. So we just made a nice big, nice and red, taking almost the full width of the mobile viewpoint with the 16 pixel padding at the end. Then again, we have free shipping above $100. Free gift on all orders 75 plus. So right there, adding two benefits under the CTA, as well as they got that payment options here as well. So this is just a really simple, clean way to optimize your PDP sections, to get them to convert more, have it simple, nice big imagery, see where you can really maximize your real estate the most, make sure you have bundles in there, all your flavor options, plus subscription payments as well. Wherever you have these elements, always show how much the consumer is going to save by taking this option and get them coming back for more and raising your AOVs and LTV. Thanks guys. This was a quick review of the redesign we did. If you got value from this, like and subscribe, comment below with any of your questions. Have a great day, guys, and cheers.